Get into a car with value. 2015 Chevrolet Silverado. This vehicle still has fewer than 70,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Aim higher than ever in the all-new Silverado pickup, the truck that digs deep to give you more of what you want and need. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. See how refined and comfortable a bold, muscular work machine can be. Drive the all-new Silverado.